Alright guys, welcome to another Amazon product unboxing. Today we're checking out the FATORM 32 watt dual port PD, which is power delivery, and QC quick charge 3.0 fast charger. So the PD is USB C, and the QC 3.0 is a USB A. PD is for Apple devices, and the other one is traditionally for Android or whatever. So quick charge and 3.0 and also PD are just higher wattage of charging, so they can generally charge about 3 times faster than what you normally get when from Apple or whatever. So these are USB-C and USB-A, which is the PD and quick charge 3.0. So that being said, this runs about 24 bucks on Amazon. They're for the PD part, it's MFI certified, so made for iPhone, iCloud, all the i stuff, Apple stuff. So sometimes if you plug a charger in there, just generic one you got, and the cord is going to might give you a reading like, oh, this doesn't recognize or something. So these will not have that issue. Open it up here, and we have, okay, ooh, where did we drop there? All right, it has a little Velcro line tie, so you can use that to tie up your cord if it gets too long or whatever. And under here we have 3 different cords. My goodness. So we have a USB-C to USB-C. So actually Android devices can take, if they do support PD charging, you can do those as well. So like if you have Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra or something like that, this particular charger features a 12 watt USB-A, this is a quick charge 3, and a 20 watt USB-C one. So the Android can be charged with either the QC 3.0 or the PD charger, so that's kind of cool. And it comes with actually the cords and everything. So a lot of times you get a charger and that's it. You just get the charger and you have to buy your cords separately or something like that. Or if you get an iPhone, it doesn't even come with a charger, or does it comes with a cheesy one. So that's kind of cool. So this actually has USB-A to Lightning cable on there too. So I just read about this and it said the Quick Charge 3.0 wasn't compatible with Apple, but maybe it's a newer iPhones like 12s or something. It can do that. So yeah. So we have the USB-C also to Lightning cable. There's that as well. So there's 2, and then the third one is USB-C to USB-C. So the 2 iPhone ones and the Android one. So that's pretty cool. Let's check out this little guy here. Can't take the plastic off, come on. All right. So there it is. It's pretty small and compact. It's the front of it. And it has a little, looks like a power light indicator on there. This can fold up. So if you need to travel or something, just throw it in your pocket, whatever gets out of the way, and then if you need to charge, just throw that in there. I want to see how long these cords are. Sometimes I like a little bit longer cord than a shorter one, because all right, so these are at least 6 feet long, I'd have to say, probably 6 feet. So that's a nice length. A lot of them you get, they're like 3 feet, and not necessarily ideal for different situations. So a little bit longer is better, and it did come with this little Velcro device. So if you do want to tie up your cord, you can do that just like this. Just run that over there like that. Pretty handy. Okay, also, looks like a little bonus thing here. What do we got here? So it's got what is that? It looks like it's got a little 3M sticky pad on the bottom. And then it's actually has a place for the cord to go through there, I believe. So you can just stick your cord on there and put your device right on there, and it'll keep it from falling off the table or something like that. So that's a good idea. It's kind of a little bonus there. So as I mentioned, this runs about 24 bucks on Amazon. Pretty cool that it comes with all these cords and stuff. And so this, I'd have to say these two are probably 6 feet long. This one feels like it's a little shorter, so maybe this one's 3 feet or something. But anyways, you get all that for that, and I'm going to be hooking these up. Going to run my phones down a little bit and test these out with different cords, and we'll see how fast these things go. Okay guys, so we're going to be testing out to the FATORM 32 watt quick charge power delivery here. We're hooking up our Samsung, we got a Samsung S21 Galaxy Ultra, and this one tells you like how fast it's charging. So first off, we have wireless charger, and it's we're at 32%. It says 2 hours until full. So that one's just a regular charger, I guess. And next one we have here is just a regular, I got this power adapter or power pole or whatever you want to call it, and it's got USB things in there. And we're going to put it in our phone here and see how fast that is. So right here it just says charging, hour and 38 minutes till full. And what was this again? This is 3 hours. Oh, okay, hour and 59, okay, till full. And this was pretty close to the same, an hour 38. So not really much difference between the wireless charger and this one, a little bit faster. Okay, now we'll try the power delivery 32 watt one from FATORM. Here we go. So plugging this bad boy in. Super fast charging is enabled, and it says 53 minutes until full. So you're knocking a lot of time off, about an hour, about half or more. So, and it enables the super fast charging. So that's pretty cool. And I'm not sure how many phones have that ability for super fast charging. Probably all the newer ones. Okay, finally we have the review and final thoughts on the FATORM 32 watt 2-port charger featuring the Quick Charge 3.0 and the power delivery charger on the top. Those 2 ports, USB-A and USB-C. As you can see with this bad boy, if you don't use both ports at the same time, it does lower this charging speed a little bit, but just this one plugged into that, it enabled the super fast charging on my Samsung Galaxy S21 and cut the charging time almost in a third. So I think I was mentioning before, like if you're playing a game or something, some of the games you can play on your device, say you're screen recording and you're playing like a graphic intensive game, it's going to run down that charge. So even if you have like maybe the regular 5 watt charger it comes with, it's not going to keep up with your charging while you're playing the game and running the screen recorder and other things in the background or whatever. So this enabling the super fast charging is super helpful for that type of stuff, guys. So one thing you don't want to do, I don't know if you're a YouTuber or not, but if you are playing a game or something or live streaming on your phone, you don't want the power to run out. So just with that demonstration, you can just see, I mean, anytime you can cut your charging time down is a good thing. So handy little device here for sure, guys. It comes with the power cords and the kind of the desk organizer there. Stick this on there on your desk and keep your wires organized. Great little product here, guys. This particular one runs $22.99 on Amazon. I'll link it in the description below, guys. Thanks for watching this product review, and you guys have a great day. We'll see you next time.